Hey, my name is Nelson and welcome to the video on drawer adjustments. The first adjustment is the drawer front side adjustment. This is where we adjust the drawer on a horizontal level. It's where we take your drawer from looking like this to looking like this. In order to make any drawer front adjustments, first open the drawer and remove the cover caps from both sides of the drawer. On the right-hand side of the drawer, use a screwdriver to adjust the screw. Turn the screw clockwise to move the drawer right. Turn it counterclockwise to move the drawer left. The next adjustment is the drawer front height adjustment. This is where you move the sides of the drawer up or down. After removing the cover caps, you'll notice a small wheel on both sides of the drawer. Turn the wheel forward or backward to move up or down. Use the drawer fronts and doors beside the drawer you are adjusting as a visual to make sure everything is aligned. When you're happy with your adjustments, replace the cover caps. If your drawer has a gallery rail, you might have to adjust the tilt. This is an easy fix. In order to adjust the drawer front tilt, turn the gallery rail counterclockwise to move the top of the drawer front away from the cabinetry. Turn the rail clockwise to move the drawer front closer to the cabinetry. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.